Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use flash fill. What are the things we should take care while using this flash fill? When using this flash fill, the table or the column should be immediate left side. No empty columns should be between the table and the flash fill column. The examples provided need to be in the column immediately to the right side. Every examples need to be on the same row as the data based on. Preview will be in light gray if the pattern is matched. Automatically using this flash fill. Flash fill will work automatically after entering a few examples. But for this, we have to enable automatically flash fill option in Excel options. We can get it automatically fill results by typing out the first few examples. Excel will then show a preview in light gray and we can accept the results by pressing enter. We'll see how it works. Here we have an example. We'll try to use this flash fill in this column. We'll type the text to convert this into capital letters. Now, if we just give one more example, we can see the flash fill here with this gray color. When I say enter, the flash fill is accepted and all the values will be converted into capital letters. As we mentioned previously, the flash fill column should always be towards the right side of the table or the column. Using the flash fill command. Sometimes flash fill doesn't automatically fill the data. In that case, we have to manually activate it. The command is found in the Home tab. For this, we'll go to the Home tab, select Fill in the Editing section, and click Flash Fill in the menu. We'll see with an example. We'll type the same thing here. And if we give one more example, we're not getting that flash fill options. In this case, we'll select this. We'll go to the Home tab. Here we have this fill option and we can click on this flash fill. And the column is filled with the options. The next option, we can use select the cells and need to fill and cells with examples. We can go to Data tab and we can fill the cells. Select Flash Fill in the Data Tools and then we can click on Flash Fill in the menu. We can go to this Data tab and then we can use this Flash Fill option. We still get the results. Another option is by using shortcut key. Type the example data to be returned. Select the cells need to be filled and the cells within the examples. We can press Ctrl plus E. Let's select this. And if we press Ctrl E, we'll get the result. Using the fill handle. We can use this flash fill by using fill handle as well. Flash fill can also be used by fill handle. Select the example cells. Right-click and drag fill handle down and release the right-click. Choose flash fill from the resulting menu. We have this option. We'll just select these cells and then we can right-click, drag it down. We'll get the flash fill. We can click on this. We'll get the results. We can also use this flash fill by quick access toolbar. To get the command on this quick access toolbar, we should right click anywhere on quick access toolbar or ribbon. We'll select customize quick access toolbar and choose all commands and select flash fill in the list of commands. And then we can use this flash fill. We'll right click on this quick access toolbar. We'll click on this customize quick access toolbar and we'll select all commands. We'll scroll down to search for flash fill. We get this flash fill and add it. Once this is added in quick access toolbar, we'll say OK and we can find the command button here. Let me delete this. Let's select this option and then we'll click on this flash fill. It works. So these are the options from where we can use the flash fill. Thank you so much for watching this video.